Okay, so we're gonna start our quiz, guys. Hope you guys have been studying. And so you guys will just pretty much comment your answers in the comment section and in the chat section. That way I'll be able to see, your guys' responses and stuff. So let's get it going. Let's start off with number one, actually. Okay. So number one, what does it mean to go long? A, the time it takes to make an order. B, when you expect the market to go down. C, when you are expecting the market to go up. Or D, all of the above. So I'll give you guys a couple of seconds to respond and reply to that. All right. So let's see. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next question. By the way, the answer is C, guys. So that's beautiful. Everybody is on the right page, on the same page. So that's good. That's good to see. Okay. Now hopefully nobody's really just tagging along with the flow, but we'll see. All right. So what does it mean to short? A, the distance between the bid and the ask price. B, it means to subtract. C, when you expect the market to go up. D, when you expect the market to go down. Okay. So yes, the correct answer is D, guys. Good job so far. Let's go on to the next level. Next question. The distance between the bid and the ask price is called A, the margin, B, the gap, C, free margin, D, the spread. So the right answer to this question would be D. So the right answer to question number 3 is D. All right, so next question. What is the difference between head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders? A, head and shoulders ends with the bullish pattern. B, inverse head and shoulders ends with the bullish pattern. C, the completion of the inverse head and shoulder creates a bullish pattern. Or D, there is no difference. Okay. All right, so if you chose either B or C, you guys are correct, okay? So usually I know some exams kind of add two of the same question, but if you chose either B or C, you guys are correct. After seeing the W formation form, what order should you place? Is it A, a buy stop, B, a sell stop, C, a sell order, or D, a buy order? All right, so the right answer to this question is D, guys. Okay, so yeah, the right answer to this question is D for number 5. Number 6, what is the opposite of a saucer's bottom? Is it the saucer's top, rounded top, there is no opposite, or triple top? All right. So the right answer, guys, is B. The right answer is B. It's actually rounded top. Okay. I have PowerPoint on that. It's not actually it's not the saucer's top. It's the rounded top. All right. So let's go on to number 7. You guys are doing good. This is this is pretty intense right now. You guys are pretty much neck even. Okay, so number 7. What is another name for naming the top currency in this pair called Euro versus USD? Would you name the Euro the quote currency, the base currency, C, the top currency, or D, the bottom currency? Okay, guys. The actual answer is B. Okay, the actual answer is B. I'll explain later. We'll roll on and go from there. 8. What is another name for the bottom currency in this pair called Euro USD? Would it be A, the base currency, B, the quote currency, C, the top currency, or D, the bottom currency? Awesome. So everybody's correct. The actual answer is the quote currency. Okay, because that's where you're getting your quote from. If the Euro versus USD pair starts to drop, which currency is weakening? Would that mean the quote currency is weakening? Would that mean the base currency is weakening? Or would you say both currencies are weakening? Beautiful, beautiful. So everybody's on the same page. Awesome. All right, next question. So what is an uptrend? Is it when price is going up but the RSI is going downwards? Is it when price is going down but the RSI is going upwards? And actually forgot to finish that one, but is it when price is going in a upward direction? All right, so the actual answer to that would be C. So C is the right answer, guys. What does divergence mean? Does it mean when the RSI and price both goes the same direction? Does it mean when the RSI and price both goes different directions? Does it mean when the RSI and price stays the same? Or none of the above? Awesome. Everybody is on the same page. Everybody's correct. Okay. Okay. What does hidden divergence mean? Does it mean that there is going to be a trend continuation? Does it mean that price is hiding away from the RSI? Or does it mean that the spread is diverging from the price? Or D, none of the above? All right, so the right answer there was A, guys. Okay, next question. Hidden divergence is used to show trend A, continuation, B, trend reversal, C, consolidation, or D, all of the above. All right, so this should be an easy one. Awesome, so everybody gets a point because everybody's correct. 14. Regular divergence is used to show A, trend continuation, B, trend reversal, C, consolidation, or D, all of the above. All right, so the right answer was actually B. B as in boy, is trend reversal. All right, so here are actually the answers. Okay, so let's go over them one by one and talk about them. Now, I did the running tally, okay, keeping track of who scored the most points. And the winner actually came out to be Daphne, okay? Grant, you were second place, and Samir, you were in third place. Actually, yeah, so Grant, you beat Samir by actually 1 point. So you beat Samir by 1 point. And then Daphne, you beat Grant by 3 points. So it's a close one, guys. It was pretty close. You guys are, I mean, pretty much on top of it. Now, no, don't get discouraged if you didn't win, but you know, I actually got a surprise for Daphne. She'll get a shout out on my social media page, you know, for winning this quiz award. So, you know, congrats to Daphne. You know, actually, you know, doing your due diligence, and not saying that anybody else did, but you know, for getting all the answers correct for the most part. Okay, so everybody got this right. You know, what does it mean to long? For the most part, everybody got that right. But you know, when you're longing, you mean you want to take a buy. You're expecting the market to go up, right? And then long and short are just inversely of each other. So when you do a short, you're doing the opposite of a long. And so that means instead of buying, you're looking to sell. And when you sell, you're expecting the market to go down, right? Okay, so on to the next question. The distance between the bid and the ask price is called the spread, guys. The spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price. And simply can just go back into the PowerPoint. But yeah, free margin has nothing to do between, it's actually in place once you take that order. But before you take an order, you're looking at this, you want to look at the spread and kind of evaluate the spread and see, you know, where everything's at. But the gap is actually irrelevant. You know, don't worry about this. And then the margin is actually in full effect when you actually make a trade. So the spread is actually before you make a trade. Keep that in mind. What is the difference between head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders? So the correct answer is C. The completion of the inverse head and shoulder creates a bullish pattern. Okay, so the head and shoulders creates a bearish pattern, while the inverse head and shoulder creates a bullish pattern. Okay, and so, so yeah, just keep that in mind. I mean, they're pretty much the same thing, just in different directions. Okay. After seeing a W formation form, what order should you place? Remember, a W formation always creates a bullish entry point. So whenever you're doing an entry, you want to do a buy order, which is D. What is the opposite of a sausage bottom? It's a rounded top. Usually you will get some type of inverse name. So like, I understand why you guys might have chose sausage top, because it's the opposite of the word sausage bottom. But actually the real answer would be rounded top, okay? What is another name for naming the top currency in Euro USD? Well, you want to think of that. The right answer was B, the base pair, okay? And so when you think about the base pair, you want to think about like a head coach. If the head coach is doing good, right, and he's performing, he's making great calls, the team is going to do good, right? I mean, just think of it like that. Sometimes you have some team players that don't necessarily need, or a team that don't need the head coach. But for the most part, if the head coach is disciplining his players and doing very good, that whole team is going to do good, and they're going to go up. So think about the pair going up if the base is doing good. If the coach is doing bad, that team's going to go down, right? And think of it as the pair going down. So just want to know that that's the base. So euro, which is the top currency, is going to be looking at the base. What is another name for the bottom currency? Well, conversely, it'll be the quote pair, because you're quoting, what I'm saying? Let's say we had $2 equal to $1 right? However many US dollars, we have, we're actually estimating it to the euro. Okay, so the euro will be 1 at all times, and you will have to see how many USD dollars are equal to the euro. Okay. Number 9, if the euro USD starts to drop, which currency is weakening? Well, it'll be the euro. It'll be your base currency, because as I mentioned before, you want to look at the base as like the head coach. If it goes up, that means the head coach doing good because the team is doing good. If it goes down, that means the head coach is doing bad because the team is doing bad. The correct answer is B. Now you may actually say, what is an uptrend? Well, the right answer is C. And as the word uptrend kind of predicts, it's like when the price is going upwards, pretty much. What does divergence mean? The right answer is B. Now, when the RSI and the price both goes different directions, it's really when you start to look for, you have divergence. All right. Now, whether or not you have hidden or regular divergence, that's a whole different story. Hidden divergence is used to show trend continuation. Okay. So yeah, you want to look at the hidden divergence as a way to show trend continuation. Regular divergence used to show trend reversal. Okay, reversal. All right, guys. So good job participating in this quiz ceremony ordeal. We had some other. Yeah, I just wanted to name the top three. And good job. But Daphne, you're the winner. So, congratulations. You get a shout out. It's the winner of this quiz competition, and looking to actually do some what I like to call freestyle sessions. So next week, after the class is ended, I like to do some freestyle sessions. That's pretty much where you will just meet with me one-on-one. If you have any questions, we'll go online, do a seminar, and I'll have you I'll pull up a chart and have you trade that chart. And that's what I like to call freestyle sessions, just to see where you at, kind of, see what you see and help guide your eyes. Okay, so look out for that. Let me know if you guys have any questions, but I know we ran a little bit over time, but no worries. Okay, you guys have a good Friday. Don't party too hard. Okay, keep Forex in mind when you out there partying. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, you guys have a safe weekend. Have a blessed weekend. Have a really good time, and see you guys on Monday. Okay. Oh yeah. I feel you on that one. Daphne. Okay. I'm not saying you shouldn't have fun or anything like that. Okay. I'm not no boring old head right here, but you know what I'm saying. Just letting you guys know. So yeah, no problem. Okay, no problem, guys. Y'all have a good one. Okay, and I'll talk to you guys on Monday at 5:30. You too. Y'all have a good one.